What if I told you your Canva account could make more money than your 9-to-5 job? Yuppie, in 2026, creators around the world are earning thousands of dollars per month just by using Canva AI. And the best part? You don't need to be a designer, coder, or marketing pro. All you need is your creativity plus the right AI workflow. So in this video, I'll show you the step-by-step Canva AI business system that's turning simple ideas into automated income. Let's dive in. Section 1. The power of Canva AI. 2026. Canva AI is no longer just a design tool. It is now a full AI brand creation system. In 2026, Canva AI includes Magic Media Text-to-Image, Magic Write Text-to-Copy Generator, Magic Presentation, Auto Slideshow, Brand Voice Integration, Auto Style, and Color Sync. Auto Resize Plus Bulk Creator for social content automation. You can literally build 100 branded designs in minutes. Section 2. Real earning methods. Here's how people are earning using Canva. Selling templates, Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market equals gold mines. Example: Instagram Business Template Pack, $25 each. 500 sales equals $12,500. Client branding services offer AI-powered brand design packages, gives logos, pitch decks, flyers, and social kits. Digital course materials create and sell editable workbooks, planners, or slide decks. Social media automation sell content calendars or offer done-for-you posting templates. YouTube thumbnails, shorts, templates, creators pay $10, $50 per thumbnail. Easy, repeatable business. Section 3. Set up your business system. Step by step. Create Canva account, preferably Canva Pro. Build 3 categories: business templates, personal planners, YouTube creatives. Design 5 to 10 templates per niche. Add mockups Canva Smart. Mockup tool. Export as editable links or zip packs. Pro tip AD. Your name watermark. On preview images prevents free downloads. Section 4. Branding your store. Choose a strong, memorable name, for example AI Design Studio or Template House. Create a logo. Use Magic Design. Use brand colors, purple, blue, white equals trust plus creativity. Write short bio gives. We create modern AI-powered designs for creators and entrepreneurs. Add a custom domain GoDaddy plus Canva Site Builder. Your brand equals your trust. Section 5. Canva Magic Workflow. Here's a smart workflow pro designers use. Magic Write. Type create a motivational Instagram caption for entrepreneurs. Copy. Paste into your Canva post. Magic Media. Type a futuristic desk setup with neon lights and dollar signs. Boom. Image ready. Bulk create. Upload. A CSV of 100 quotes. Gives Canva auto-generates 100 posts. In one go. Brand kit sync. Add your logo, colors, and fonts. Gives every template. This is pure automation gold. Section 6. Finding clients and projects. Go where clients already hang out. Fiverr AI Branding Services. Upwork Canva Presentation Expert. Facebook group small business owners, coaches, Instagram DM microbrands, or YouTubers. Send message. Hey, I create modern Canva AI templates for brands. Want me to redesign your post for free? That free sample equals your entry ticket to long-term clients. Section 7. Pricing and packaging. Start small but scale fast. Package includes price starter 10, Canva posts $30 standard, 25 posts plus 1 logo $90, premium 50, posts plus brand kit $250. Plus once you have testimonials, double your rates. Section 8. Passive income store. Canva templates are digital gold. They sell while you sleep. Etsy. Canva resume templates. Social bundles. Planners. Gumroad template plus tutorial bundles. Creative Market premium brand kits. Optimize SEO titles like editable Canva template for coaches And Entrepreneurs 2026 edition make preview videos showing live editing gives boosts sales by 70%. Section 9. Automation tools. Use these to scale your Canva business. Zapier. Auto-upload new designs. 2. Gumroad Notion. Track clients, links, and ideas. Google Sheets. Plan your design calendar. ChatGPT write descriptions, captions, and email templates. 1 hour day of automation setup saves 10 hours per week. Section 10. Building your personal brand. Post your journey. Even small wins. Share behind the zines. Client reactions. Or how I made $500 from Canva this week. The more visible you are gives the more trust you build, gives the more sales you make. Section 11. Scaling to agency level. After 2 to 3 months, build a small remote team. 1 designer plus 1 marketer plus 1 client manager. Offer monthly retainers like $500. Mo equals 50 designs. $1,000 Mo equals full brand management. This converts your Canva skills into a stable business. Section 12. Future of Canva. AI 2026. Upcoming updates will include AI, video templates, voice-assisted layout editing, full integration with ChatGPT and Runway ML. Start early, dominate later, by Canva. AI is not just a tool, it's your creative money machine. You don't need a design degree, just smart systems and discipline. Create, upload, automate, earn. That's the new formula for 2026. So, start today. Open Canva, make your first design, and take the first step toward your digital freedom. This is the digital moneymaker, and your success journey starts now. Summary sheet. Tool gives Canva AI Pro recommended. Potential $10,000 per month. Business model template sales plus client services. Automation Zapier plus Notion plus Canva. Brand kit. Clients. Global small businesses. Creators. Coaches.